In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off live motion photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to turn on live motion photos on the Galaxy S26, just open the camera app, then tap on the four dots over here. Now from this menu, if you swipe to the left side, you will find this icon, which is for the live motion photo. Now to turn on live motion photos, just tap on this icon. Now over here you will find three options. As you can see, this icon is to turn off live motion photos, and this one is to enable live motion photo automatically. And the third one is to turn on live motion photos all the time. Now I'll select this option. Now as you can see, if I tap on the shutter button, it will not only capture a photo, but it will also record a short video with the photo. As you can see, if I tap on View Motion Photo, it will show the short video it has recorded with the photo. Just like that. Now to turn off live motion photo, just go back to the camera app and tap on the four dots over here, then tap on this icon over here. Now instead of on or automatic, just select off. And after you do that, you will turn off live motion photos on your Samsung phone. Now, if you want to get even more control over the live motion photos, just swipe to the right side and tap on the settings icon. Now over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for motion photos. Now just tap on it. Now over here, you will find even more controls over the live motion photos. As you can see, you have the option as whether you want to record the video before and after the shutter, or if you want to record the video before the shutter only. Also, you can customize the audio feedback. You can select the shutter sound as you tap on the shutter button, or the recording finishing sound. Also, you can select the timing, as you can set it when the picture is taken or when the recording is finished. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.